All right, we just put a layer of our rouse marinara on the bottom of our crock pot. I'm coming in next with a big bowl. And in that bowl, I'm gonna add my ricotta cheese. We're gonna use this whole container. It is 15 ounces of ricotta. Beautiful. I'm gonna add half a bag of mozzarella cheese. You can shred your own cheese if that's what you prefer, but I like the Kraft mozzarella. Now I'm coming in with some Parmesan cheese. I'm using the grated Parmesan cheese because it is the right consistency for this easy crock pot recipe. And just kind of eyeball your cheeses. You can add as little or as much as you like. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg to this. Whew, perfect, no shells. And we're gonna add some chopped parsley. You can use fresh, you can use dried, whatever you prefer.
Ooh, this is starting to smell amazing.
Yeah, super easy Italian dinner. Let's go ahead and season this real quick. We have some garlic powder, because you guys know I need garlic powder in all of my dinners. Then we're gonna add some black pepper, and we're just gonna add a little bit of this. We're not gonna go too crazy, but we do wanna be able to taste that pepper. And then you guys know what comes after pepper. We have some sea salt. And we're just gonna do a light salt. You can skip it all together if you like, but you guys know I like my salt. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix this all together. The ricotta, the egg, the cheeses. We want kind of like a paste consistency. We want that ricotta to soften up a little bit because this is gonna be a delicious filling for our pasta. It's almost kind of like a lasagna filling, but it's better. Okay, so just mix this together until we get that consistency that we want. Okay, now we're gonna take this mixture and we're gonna transfer it to a piping bag. Now I'm gonna bring in my jumbo shells, grab our uncooked pasta, and our piping bag filled with our delicious ricotta mixture, and we're gonna fill our jumbo shells with that mixture.
Whoa, this is such a cool idea.
Just like so, and then place it right into our crock pot on top of that marinara. And we're gonna continue filling up our pasta shells until we have a layer of our jumbo shells in our crock pot. Okay, now that we have our first layer of stuffed shells in our crock pot, I'm bringing in my cooked Italian sausage, and we are gonna put about half of our sausage right on top of those shells. Oh my goodness, you could use ground beef if you don't like sausage, but I wanted to kind of mix it up this time. I always use beef and I wanted Italian sausage, so we're just gonna add that right on top. I cooked 1.5 pounds of our sausage, so I put 3/4 a pound of sausage on that first layer. Now we're just gonna repeat our layers and we're gonna add some more sauce. Don't use all of it. We need a little bit for the very, very top. Spread that out. Ooh, this is smelling delicious. That sausage that's already cooked smells nice and good.
I didn't even know you can cook pasta like this.
Yeah, it's so easy and so delicious. Now let's go ahead and just add another layer of our stuffed noodles. Okay, so this last shell barely got some filling, but that's okay. We have plenty in here. We're gonna go ahead and put the rest of our sausage on top of this layer, just like so. And spread it out so that we get sausage in each bite. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. We are gonna use the rest of our 32-ounce rouse marinara.
Ooh, it's getting stuffed to the top.
Yeah, we are almost done here. Get all of that sauce out. Okay, perfect. Now, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of water into our jar. Okay, I filled my jar about halfway, and this is gonna help that pasta cook. And we're gonna pour it right in there. Beautiful. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna put my lid on and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, so it's been 3 hours on high. Oh my goodness, smells so good, you guys. Look, you can tell the noodles are fully cooked. They've kind of gotten bigger and opened up more, but we're not done yet. We're gonna add the rest of our mozzarella cheese right on top. So we used half of the bag already, and we're gonna use the other half. And we just want a nice, you know, mozzarella topping for our pasta. And this is only gonna take about 15 minutes to just melt right on top. And then this is gonna be ready to eat. You could add more if you like, but I think that's just fine. Okay, so this is finally ready. We're gonna turn off our crock pot. Ooh, that cheese melted beautifully on top.
That looks so good, babe.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, now it is time to dig in and go all the way to the bottom, get all of our layers. Oh my, this is gonna be incredible. Oh my God, that pasta is like falling apart. I might have overcooked it just so slightly. So if you like your pasta a little bit more al dente, cook it for 2.5 hours instead of the full 3. But I think this is gonna be delicious. Okay, time to give it a try. Oh my gosh, it's literally, the noodles cooked so well. I'm kind of surprised.
Definitely blow on it. It's probably gonna be really hot.
I use the Italian sausage. That is so good. You guys are gonna love this. Hands down, best pasta.